Did you know? According to the National Science Foundation, about 80% of jobs in the future will require some form of math and science skills. Quite a startling statistic, isn't it? Welcome, friends, to another informative session where we will discuss how to effectively study science. So buckle up and let's dive right in. The first step is to start your preparation. Keep your study space clean and quiet so you can focus on your studies. A clutter-free environment can boost your concentration and help you absorb information better. Next, manage your social media usage. Social media can be a major distraction. By keeping it separate from your studies, you'll be able to study more effectively and retain information longer. Creating notes is another useful strategy. Make notes of important points to ensure you understand the topics well. This not only helps you remember the information, but also makes revision easier. Try to explain the topic to others. This solidifies your understanding and keeps the information fresh in your mind. The act of teaching or explaining forces you to break down complex topics, which can help you understand them better. Practice is key for precision. Solving problems will enhance your understanding and help in self-evaluation. The more you practice, the better you get. It's as simple as that. Finally, review your study. This is the best way to learn from your mistakes. Regular revision helps in retaining information for a longer period and also aids in identifying the areas where you need improvement. So these were some tips to study science with precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you, and keep learning.